Welcome to another episode of Tesla audio lessons. In this episode, we will show you a tutorial on Tesla WPM-300 wireless monitoring system. Let's get started. This wireless monitoring system supports up to 10 transmitters working together. It caters for instrument monitoring, stage monitoring, and simultaneous interpretation and multi-person application.
Packing list for the WPM-300 system includes 1 transmitter, 1 receiver, a pair of earphones, 3 pairs of ear tips, 2 AA batteries, 1 3.5mm cable, 1 RCA cable, 1 3.5 to 6.3mm adapter, 1 12V, 300mA power adapter, and 1 manual. Function descriptions: transmitter, power switch, when flip to 1 to power on, or flip to 0 to power off. LED display shows the working channel. There are 10 channels from CH01 to CH10. Handphone knob, rotate to adjust handphone port value. Input port includes 1 3.5mm stereo audio, input to connect Ethernet audio, a pair of RCA audio, inputs to connect Ethernet audio. Set button, press to change frequency. Receiver, power switch, press for 2 seconds to turn on or turn off. Indicator, glows green when power on and turns red when battery is low. Volume controls, for adjusting volume or receiver, there are 10 volume levels. Press plus to increase volume or press minus to decrease volume. Set button, press set to change frequency. LED screen shows the working channel, 10 channels in total from CH01 to CH10. This shows current battery level, 3 levels in total. Here shows the signal status. The signal icon is shown when connected, flickers during weak signal, or become hidden if disconnected. Operating instructions: connect the supply power adapter to transmitter, then into main outlet. Connect 3.5mm cable to audio, input on transmitter, then to audio output device. Turn on transmitter power switch. We can see the LED screen lights up into working status. Push the tab on battery compartment. Put out battery holder and install 2 AA batteries. Push the holder back in until it clicks into place. Connect your earphones to receiver handphone jack. Press receiver power button for 2 seconds until indicator lights up to power on. Preset button to set identical channel as transmitters. Receiver screen signal icon appear when connected. To monitor audio with wired headphones, adjust the volume knob to a proper level. One thing to know: when using multiple transmitters together, they should be at least 0.5 meters apart to avoid interference. Pairing method: both devices are paired by default and will auto-reconnect if power on. In case of signal interference, follow below steps to change channel and repair. First, power up both transmitters and receiver. Press set on transmitter to change channel, and press set on receiver to change channel until it is the same with transmitters. Note: you can operate up to 10 sets of transmitters in one place. Simply set different channels on the transmitters and sync respective receiver to them.
That's the tutorial today. Is everything clear? Remember to like, follow, and subscribe. If you want to learn more about the products, feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time!